Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to create business mail or professional mail using your domain with simple steps guys. Simply go to your hosting, which hosting you are using. Now I am using SiteGround, so I am going to log in with SiteGround. Business mail is very important guys. Whenever you send mails to your clients, when your prospects, it's very looking for a professional. So because there is an professional and business mail is very useful. See, it asks me password. Please log into your hosting panel, hosting first. After then go to your cPanel. Now I am in home page guys. This is my hosting, and click on my account. This is whole SiteGround guys. So because the reason the interface is like this, but options is same to every hosting account guys. Don't confuse about it. Simply go to cPanel account. After then it will ask you this password. Simply paste and copy and paste your password here and log into your cPanel. Wait a second, it is still loading guys. And after log into your cPanel, it will show you like this guys. It will show you like this every details we can use over here about our hosting. And simply click on here. There are so many options available here. Now my today's our video major concept is creating business account. So because there is an creating, what the fuck. See here, you can see this is the cPanel, and I'm enter into the email accounts. Here you can see so many domains available here. For which domain you are going to create a professional or business email account, please choose that one which you are going to use. I'm going to create for this one, and choose here one name guys, like admin support, based upon for which purpose you are going to create. Please keep and give assign one name here. Myself, I am going to give my name only, Chandu at the rate, or else uh, contact at the rate quoracube.com, and give one password. After then same password give two times, and here you can see strong password. And if you want to give limited quota or unlimited quota, that's your wish. I'm going to leave it 250 MB only. After giving complete these details, and create an account, click create an account. Here you can see contact account created, contact at the rate quoratube.com.in guys. This is the professional and business mail guys. See, some other websites won't accept Gmail guys. At that time we need to use business account. So because the reason we have to create business mail for our business. This is the process guys. This much of simple. Go and create one business mail for yourself. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.